This is the NOKIA X30, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, let me open the display category of settings and expand the available screen timeout values for you to see that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is 10 minutes. Thus, I've done that in order to justify the fact that we are going to use the free Play Store app in order to set this auto screen off value to never. So, connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, launch the Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Caffeine. That is exactly the app that we are going to use. So now, you need to obviously download and install it. And after that, all that it's left to do is to launch the app, make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and as long as the Caffeine application stays active in the background, so do not close it, leave it at the recent section, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.